In Thailand, ride-hailing apps like Grab and Bolt are widely used in cities such as Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. This time, we will explain how to register and use the Bolt ride-hailing app.
I am a Japanese resident in Thailand. From this perspective, I will explain the ride-hailing app Bolt. First, let's compare Bolt and Grab. Use this comparison as a reference to choose the best option for you. Service area. Bolt operates in multiple cities in Thailand, including Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket. Grab covers a wider range of major cities in Thailand compared to Bolt. Vehicle options. Both Bolt and Grab offer a variety of vehicle types. Price. Bolt tends to be cheaper than Grab, but prices vary depending on time and demand. Japanese language support. Bolt is generally not supported in Japanese. On the other hand, Grab offers Japanese language support. Now, let's explain how to book a ride using the Bolt app. Download the Bolt app. Then, open the app and complete the new registration. Enter your mobile phone number. You will receive a PIN code via SMS to verify your phone number. If you are using a Thai mobile phone, enter your Thai mobile number. Now, let's explain how to use the ride-hailing taxi service. Tap the Bolt app. When you tap the app, this screen will appear. Tap the magnifying glass and the Where To field in the center of the screen. The screen will change. A magnifying glass icon and destination will be displayed. Enter your destination by typing in this field. Alternatively, tap the map icon on the right of destination to set your destination. When you tap the map icon, this screen will appear. Move the pin marker on the map to your destination. Then tap the green Confirm Destination button at the bottom of the screen. When you tap the Confirm Destination button, this screen will appear. The map will be displayed at the top of the screen, and the vehicle options and fares will be shown at the bottom. The vehicle types are taxi, standard taxi; motorbike, motorcycle taxi; economy, most budget-friendly vehicle; Bolt, standard vehicle; XL, large vehicle for groups. Select a vehicle type, then tap the green Select Taxi button at the bottom of the screen. When you tap the Select Taxi button, the screen on the left will appear, indicating that the app is searching for a driver. Once a driver is found, the screen will change to the one on the right. The estimated arrival time will be displayed, along with the vehicle type, car color, license plate number, driver's name, and photo. Once you board the Bolt car, the screen will change to display the map with your current location and destination. When you arrive at your destination, you will make the payment. If a credit card is registered, the payment will be automatically charged to the card. If no card is registered, the payment will be made in cash. For some vehicle types, payment may only be available by card. It's convenient to register your credit card and home address. First, let me explain how to register your credit card. Tap the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap Payment. Tap Add Debit/Credit Card. Enter your credit card details. This completes the credit card registration. Now, let me explain how to register your home address. Tap Account at the bottom of the screen. Enter your home address in Save Places Home. This completes the registration of your home address.
Now, let me explain how to register your home address. Tap Account at the bottom of the screen. Enter your home address in Saved Places Home. This completes the registration of your home address.